part 1, you saw that we were making the seed bombs, and in this one, we will be throwing them.
We chose a little patch of grass in front of the house, and no blankets were harmed in the making of this movie.
Ready. No, I don't need to plant. I don't plant like that. I think we should stop. Okay. You probably scattered them good in the cement.
The seed balls were very crusty and hard to break.
So we think that maybe we should have used them sooner, and Barry didn't approve of the not watering, so they'll probably get softer when we water them.
Thanks, Trina. We had fun.
Hey, can I see you stomp that seed ball one more time?
Thanks for watching.